On the MIDI channel, you place the Hocket Send Maxforlive device. Next, you create a MIDI clip. Here's the clip that I've been using throughout my examples. Next, I create a number of MIDI channels and I group these together, as you can see, under a single channel heading called Voice Group. And each one of these is then labeled Instrument 1, Instrument 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, because Hocket has a maximum of 8 possible voices. On each of these channels, I place the Hocket Receiver Maxforlive device. And then on each of these channels, I also place different operator sort of presets and patches. As you can see, as I run through each one of these, you can see the different sorts of patches that I'm using. Now, it's these different patches and sound sources that I'm using that sort of create the melodic interest, the changes in timbre. These aren't because of using the Hocket device. So I hope you've enjoyed this very quick run through. This was requested by someone who's seen some of the other videos, so I thought I would just give a little bit more detail in terms of how this was achieved. So do remember to like and subscribe, and see you next time.